If you want to make gardening easier, or if you've ever been curious about sustainable gardening practices such as permaculture, this video is for you. My husband and I own a small little farm we call Arcadia, which is a word that means the harmony between the divine, nature, and man. And we endeavor to create that here. How we've created that is by using permaculture practices. Permaculture is a contracted word that means permanent agriculture. This means that instead of planting a whole bunch of annuals every year, we have striven, is that a word? We have strived to create plantings that are here permanently that we simply have to sprinkle in annuals around. So that includes trees, shrubs, flowering things, and even perennial vegetables. It also includes medicinals like herbs and flowers. Today I'm going to show you what is called a guild. A guild is a grouping of plants together that are meant to mimic what we see in nature. Nature is not a monoculture. It is a polyculture of lots of different plants that live symbiotically. This is my most successful guild to date. A guild is built around a central tree. In this case, this is a sour Bali cherry, which is amazing, and Cecil always helps. Around this, there are smaller shrubs such as this gooseberry bush, some perennial vegetables like this rhubarb, native plants like buffalo berry, lots of flowering plants to help attract pollinators. So we've got different ones here, lilies, and two different kinds of baby's breath. I actually don't know the difference between these two. Perennial herbs, here I have garlic, chives, and tarragon. And then there's volunteer dill down in there. Last step for this guild will be to establish some kind of vining plant that can vine up on the Bali cherry, and then to incorporate a few annual vegetables within this. So perhaps you could double down on that and put some pumpkins or cucumbers in here that are annuals that also vine. Yeah. If you're curious about things like this or you want to get started, the best book that I've found on this is called Gaia's Garden. Check it out. Follow for more.